Now we can see that market is near support area, and this support area is very strong. Because market is taking rejection too many times from this price action support area. Now we have got a pullback from this strong support area with bullish engulfing candlestick. We are getting a good trade signal here, so we will take a buy trade. Now we have won this trade. Now we will look for another trade. Now we see that a channel pattern is forming here. The market has created a perfect channel pattern, and the market is also taking a pullback from this pattern. We are now getting the confirmation of a bullish engulfing candlestick. We can see that here we are getting 3 confirmations. First confirmation we are getting from channel pattern pullback. Second confirmation we are getting from support area. And third confirmation we are getting from bullish engulfing candlestick. We are getting a good trade signal here, so we will take a buy trade. Now we have won this trade. Now we will look for another trade. Now we see that a triangle pattern is forming here. But we didn't trade here because we didn't get a perfect pullback here. Now we can see that we have got a pullback from this strong trendline support with bullish engulfing candlestick. We are getting a good trade signal here, so we will take a buy trade. Now we have won this trade. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.